Second Chronicles 15 verse 7. But you, be strong and do not let your hands be weak, for your work shall be rewarded. Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all some ideas on how to set your table. Centerpiece and items to decorate the table can be extremely expensive, but this is a cheaper alternative. I bought all my stuff from the dollar store, Amazon, Micheals, and Walmart. The purpose of this video is to give y'all some ideas on how to set your table and not break the bank. During the video, I will do some DIYs along the way that I will use for decoration. If you want to see the result, watch until the end of the video. Y'all can find all the items in the description box, so check them out, and some items will also be on the screen. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the red button and support your girl. I have also created an Instagram account, so please follow me at Fobi. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the red button and support your girl. I have also created an Instagram account, so please follow me at Fobi. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment down below. Here's the result. I enjoy setting the table. I love how it turned out. Please let me know what you think, so comment down below. Don't forget to share and like this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you still haven't, and I also have created an Instagram account, so please follow me at Fobi. Stay tuned for the next video, stay blessed, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye bye.